Hi, I'm Gabi. I invited my mom to taste my recipe, which is homemade panettone. All the ingredients I'm gonna leave in the description box. Let's get started. I'm gonna place plain flour, cooking salt, spread, egg yolks, caster sugar, panettone flavor extract, vanilla essence, a bit of beer. I'm gonna use the remaining one later. Stir. And set aside. Now I'm gonna make the sponge dough. I'm gonna place plain flour, fresh yeast, water, stir, knead, and leave resting until doubled in size. I'm gonna make the panettone dough. I'm gonna add the sponge dough, and start to knead. I'm gonna pour a bit of corn oil to develop the gluten. The exact dough texture is sticky, so I'm gonna use a spatula to work better. I don't add more plain flour because I think it becomes heavy, but you can add a bit more if you want. I'm gonna pour beer little by little to enhance the flavor. And knead until to come together. As I didn't add more plain flour, I'm gonna pour a bit of corn oil to not stick. I'm gonna leave resting for 5 minutes. Stretch. Add the candied fruits and raisins. You need to incorporate them very well, even if the dough becomes sticky again, otherwise they will accumulate at the bottom of the panettone. Later, you make the ball again. I'm gonna leave proofing. It proofed in 6 hours and 20 minutes, as here is autumn. But if I had covered with a tea towel, the dough would proof faster. I'm gonna grease a knife with corn oil. Slash diagonally. I'm gonna place a bit of unsalted butter. And bake in the preheated oven at 150 degrees Celsius for about 40 minutes. Don't open the oven before 20 minutes because the dough falls. 35 minutes have passed. I'm gonna push with a barbecue skewer. It came out with some dough attached on, so I'm gonna keep for 5 more minutes. Well guys, I hope you have enjoyed this video and see you on the next one. See you later. Bye.
Bye.